Yo, today I'm going to be reacting to some mind-blowing Blender effects. Now the first 3 are crazy, but everything after 4 is going to make you question reality. Let's get it. This is wild, man. Like, this is insanely detailed. Yeah, this is crazy, man. Like, there's so many layers going on here. There's the glass, there's the explosion, but just making that realistic movement of the car flipping and how it would probably fly in real life. They've done an amazing job here. You can tell there's a lot of work that's gone into this. It's crazy. So it looks like we've got some pretty cool tracking going on right here. The details in this is crazy. I'm really liking a lot of the 3D tracking and compositing that people are doing in Blender. It's just such a powerful tool. So this person's probably just put like some tracking points on different parts of the table, especially on those corners, to get that clean, crisp looking track. All right, let's get the next one. We've got the Forest Wizard. This is super cute. Great character rigging. Has some cool little lightning effects in there as well. That's awesome. This little plant growing out of the ground, I think it could be a geometry node or something like that. It looks dope. Looks like we've got some compositing over some real footage. But with Blender, you never know. Like, these scenes could be completely 3D generated. We'll just say it's footage. He wakes up. Oh, damn. I'd love to see the armature set up for this. This looks very intricate. There must be a lot of bones in there. And the modeling's just great. Okay, looks like we got a Nerf gun. This is dope. I play a bit of Call of Duty. This is accurate. This is very accurate. And it looks legit, for sure. They've definitely like put a lot of work into remodeling this Nerf gun. And the scene it's in looks great too. Although it does look like a paintball setup. And Nerf is just like the little rubber darts, right? Shout out a cool rocket. This is awesome. Okay, this is insane. Like, never mind the technical side of creating a walking apartment building, but just even coming up with that concept. Like, how do you come up with that? This is giving off Star Wars vibes for sure, like the AT-AT. The scenery in this is beautiful too, like the environments. Everything just looks so like real, but surreal is probably the way to describe it. All right, let's go to the next one. Little Lego man in the sand. Okay, some of the renders that come out of Blender are just so indistinguishable from reality. I love photorealism in Blender. I suck at it. But when you see it done right, it's just so satisfying. This shoe at the end, this is where you're able to sort of blur the lines between render and reality. Like, I have no idea if that is a real shoe or if the background is real. I'm just going to assume that all of this is 3D generated. I would love to see the blend file for this. I love the little detail of the sand just like still sitting on his head. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, waves in the forest. Bruh. I don't even know where to start with this one. And I love that you can make this sort of stuff with Blender. I can't, but this person can. I'm sensing a lot of keyframed and animated geometry nodes in this one. They're probably using a displacement modifier or an ocean modifier to make that like wave sort of look. I'm really digging that detail of the leaves blowing and stuff with the movement of the trees. This is trippy. Okay, we got the universal intro caught on camera. This must be like the movie thing, right? There's like the POV of the universal intro. Now this could be just like a really high quality HDRI with some nice like handheld camera movements and then the text coming over the top. From a technical perspective, this is not a difficult scene to put together, but the concept and the idea of actually like making this is what makes it so good. It doesn't need to be the most complex thing technically, but it looks great and it makes you think, you know, like, good job. Okay, this one's The Immortal Snail by Thomas Berard. Let's see what's going on. Okay, fractal. Okay, it's like a snail fractal, I guess. It just seems to be a very clever combination of lighting, the right camera movement, and keyframing the snails so that it loops perfectly. Thomas, if you're watching this, make it make sense, please. Help me out here. And if you're interested in some mind-blowing VFX, check out this video here.